Hey guys, welcome back. So real quick, remember we've got the chasing or flowing rim lights on sale through the website, $50 off to the end of this month, into September 2021, for levels 4, 5, and 6. You want the triple eyebrow kits, you want the double eyebrow kits, you want the hood kits, you want the vent kits, you want the mirror kits. Got all that on the website too. Those are still on sale also until the end of the month. So if you guys are looking for something, hit me up, let me know. We got them in a 4-row, a 5-row, a 6-row. Cheaper than what you're gonna find anybody else who's currently got them out there. So if you guys are looking for something, hit me up, let me know. Any questions, be sure just to ask, answer anything you got. I'll leave a link in the video description below to the website where you can find prices and options, and we'll do the coupon code also so you can get $50 off levels 4, 5, and 6 on your chasers and flowing. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.